Here is how to see views on your Instagram post. Let us see that. Open your Instagram, go to your profile icon. Here you can find posts. So in the post, you can see only the liked people on how many likes. So here, if you click on that number, you can see how many people like that, but you can't see how many people viewed that. So if you go for a video, see, you can see 141 view insights over here, and 9 people liked only for the video of Instagram that you have posted or created can be seen as views. So other posts can be seen. So here, if you post a photo, you can see how many views on photo. If you post a video, you can see views. This is how. If you go for the reels, here you can see 141 views. So for this reel, this is how you can find your views on Instagram post. Thank you.